I am Moin
Hey there.
Tepwala. Today, participant at Rehan's AI Teachers Training Bootcamp 3. I am an SEO. Warner is also my specialties and SEO, YouTube automation, WordPress, and many more others. So today I am here with in front of you with an other topic and special topic, which is impact of the AI in educations on education system. So, who is my guest? My guest is Sasmi, the model, Sasmi model, and the speaker is guest is Maya. So let's come and join the Maya and let's introduce with her. Okay, hello Maya, how are you?
Hey everyone, it's great to be here. Thanks for having me, Wayne. And wow, SEO, YouTube automation, WordPress. That sounds like you've got your hands full. What a fascinating topic to tackle.
But just I am here with you because I got an assignment from my teachers, also in my curriculum, that you have to podcast with any model, and you must discuss topic that they will give me. Okay, so my today's topic is the impact of AI on our education system. So
I
I
know.
want to tell you and I want to ask you about this and what are your ideas. It will help me and my audience to know about this thing. So let's start and give me about this.
Okay, fire away. This is a topic I'm really passionate about. I think AI is a total game changer for education, but maybe not in the way most people think. It's not about robots replacing teachers. It's more like giving everyone superpowers. Imagine tools that help students learn at their own pace, finding the gaps in their knowledge and tailoring lessons just for them. What do you think about that?
Okay, you are doing you said me good, and I'm also thinking like this. So that's why uh, I choose you about this topic, and I got good information from your side. So my second question is you from you is I'm asking the questions from you that is very important, and just tell me why AI is necessary in the education.
Ooh, that's a good challenge. You know, it's easy to think of AI as this shiny new thing that's going to fix everything, but actually, there are times when AI might not be the best tool for the job. Think about it like this: learning isn't just about memorizing facts, it's about exploring ideas, asking questions, making connections. Sometimes the best way to learn is through messy, hands on experience, through discussions and debates, through the kind of personal interaction that only a human teacher can provide. So, AI shouldn't replace teachers or the human element of learning. It should be a tool to enhance it, to give teachers more time to focus on those human elements. Does that make sense?
Yes, uh, this is good and positive information. So my next question from you is, how is AI currently being used in classroom?
Great question. AI is actually already making its way into classrooms in some pretty interesting ways. One example is adaptive learning platforms. These are basically like personalized learning programs that adjust to a student's pace and needs. Another cool example is AI powered tutoring systems. These can provide students with extra help and support outside of regular class time. Some teachers are even using AI to grade assignments and provide feedback, which frees up more time for them to focus on individual student needs. It's all still pretty new, but it's definitely gaining momentum. What are your thoughts on those examples? Would you be open to using AI tools in your own learning journey?
Yes, uh, I am also using the AI tools in my journey and daily life because I am doing coding. I am making story post. I am making YouTube description or any Facebook post description has for the hashtag for the research purpose, for the coding to make any apps or any tool or the website. So I made many like a ChatGPT clone, uh, and
That's incredible.
WhatsApp clone and more because I develop lots of website and AI tools which help me, and also it these are the problem solver tools. So that's why AI helps me a lot, and I am using AI in my own life, in all daily life. So that's why I choose AI, and I am uh, preferring AI to the others because without AI, the people are useless, and what they are doing and in other things, and what uh, they want to different from the AI. So it will be challenging for them in future because I know that if they are not adopting AI in that time, so maybe when the times will come, uh, and the AI system will go away from them. So that's why. Uh, what are you thinking about my ideas?
Whoa, that's impressive. You're using AI for some really cool stuff. It sounds like you're ahead of the curve, using it to solve problems and make your life easier. You're right. Whether we like it or not, AI is becoming more and more integrated into our daily lives. The key is to embrace it and learn how to use it effectively. Otherwise, you're right, we'll get left behind. One thing I think is really important is to ensure that everyone has access to these tools and the skills to use them. It shouldn't just be for tech savvy folks like yourself. Thinking about the future like that is pretty insightful.
Yes.
You still there?
Okay.
I was just thinking about
Yes, yes.
what you
All
said about.
very good. And other, my next question, we are going to move forward and other question. So my next question from you is, uh, what makes AI different from previous tech innovations?
Ooh, that's a really good question. We've seen a lot of tech innovations come and go. Think about things, the printing press, the internet, even smartphones. What makes AI different is its ability to learn and adapt. Previous technologies were mostly tools that carried out specific tasks on programming. But AI can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and learn from its experiences. It's like having a student who never stops studying, constantly getting smarter and more insightful. That's pretty mind blowing when you think about it. What strikes you as the most significant about that difference? Hello, still with me?
Yes, yes, I am satisfied. So I also use these terms in my daily life. So that's why still.
It sounds like you're really making good use of AI tools. What are you using them for these days?
What
You know what, Wing?
again?
Maybe we should take a little break. Seems like we've both been going strong for a while. Would you like to grab some virtual coffee and come back to this in a few? International.
Okay, okay, okay. Just repeat again, please.
I was saying maybe we should take a small break and come back to this in a few minutes. Would you like to grab some virtual
No,
coffee
no, no,
and
no,
then
no.
continue?
No, I don't want to break because there's my another other times which I will join the meetings at the different places. So that's why I don't want to do this. Uh, and today I'm not feeling well, so I I got rest from after your podcast. So I want to ask you another question, and we are going to move forward. So in the traditional system,
You.
mostly people are learning not only the computer science subject, so they are learning the mathematics, like languages like Urdu, Hindi, Punjab, oh, sorry, English, and others, and the science subject, math. So,
Got it. You're pointing out that
which
traditional
subjects
education.
benefit? Which subjects benefit most from AI integration?
That's a great question. I think AI can be a game changer for a lot of subjects, but some where it could have a particularly big impact are. Let me know what you think about these.
Tell me on which subjects.
My bad. Distracted there for a sec. I was saying I think AI can be a game changer for a lot of subjects. Some where it could have a particularly big impact are math. Think about AI tutors that can personalize lessons and identify students who are struggling with specific concepts. Or imagine AI powered tools that help students visualize complex mathematical problems in new and engaging ways. Languages. AI can make language learning more interactive and engaging with chatbots that practice conversational skills or AI powered translation tools that help students understand texts in different languages. Science. AI can help analyze huge data sets, accelerating scientific discovery and allowing students to explore complex scientific phenomena through simulations and interactive models. History and other humanities subjects. AI can help students sift through vast amounts of historical data, identifying patterns and connections that might go unnoticed by the human eye. It can also create interactive timelines and enrich learning experiences with primary source documents and historical artifacts. What do you think about those? Which of those
Okay,
subjects do you think AI could have the
okay,
biggest
okay.
impact on,
I,
and why?
I think that AI can help the everywhere in the every subject, either in the language subject, science subject, or the social.
I believe you're right. I think you hit the nail on the head there. It's not about AI replacing anything, but more about highlighting what's already there and helping us learn better. You got any other
Do you
thoughts?
know? Do you know? One day ago, I watched I worked on a Google AI Studio, so
You
that's did for me a game changer. So I was stuck in from at one place, and I was thinking that how can I do those things, because there I was not watching the there was an options, so that's why I use that and share my screen with it, and they teach me. It teach me a lot, and solve my problem which I was facing since or the from the for the 2 hours or more. It resolve my problem in 1 minute just. So
Wow, that's
that's
fantastic.
why I am thinking that AI can help everyone at every place, who are technical or non-technical. So AI already remove these things, remove these differences among the people, because now everyone are using AI from the zero. So that's why we
You know what, Wayne? That's a really hopeful outlook. I like that. You're saying AI has the potential to level the playing field and make learning more accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. That's a powerful idea. You going quiet on me again?
okay. Uh, that's great, and I think that is very important from your side. And I listen. I learned a lot from you, And so our discussion is not in yet. I am going to ask from you another questions relative to this. So my next question from you is, how does AI tailor lessons to individual students' strength or weakness?
Ooh, excellent question. I was actually just thinking about that myself. Imagine this. Instead of everyone in the class learning at the same pace, AI can adjust the difficulty and content of lessons based on each student's needs. Think of it like having a personal tutor for every single student. So, if a student is struggling with a certain concept, the AI can provide additional practice exercises or offer clearer explanations. And if a student is already excelling, the AI can challenge them with more advanced material. It's like a learning journey customized to each person's unique strengths and areas for growth. What do you think about having a personalized learning journey like that?
I'm thinking that it's more most important because the self learning or the for the students or the this teachers or any facilitator, so everyone get enjoy and doing best when they are learning self. So that's why I understand these
Yes,
things. So
you're onto something there. When people can learn at their own pace and focus on what they need most, it's a game changer for motivation and engagement. It's not about racing everyone else to the finish line. It's about each person discovering their own path to mastery.
yes.
Anything else on your mind about personalized learning or how AI can make that
So
happen?
I am going to ask from you another question. So my question is, can AI truly understand different learning styles?
That's a really important question. And the truth is, it's still complex. Think of it like this: AI is good at recognizing patterns. So, if a student consistently struggles with text heavy material but excels with hands on activities, an AI tutor might pick up on that and adjust accordingly. But can it truly understand the why behind those preferences? That's where it gets trickier.
Okay,
Human learning is influenced by so many things:
okay. Just tell
our
me about the
emotions.
platforms which we are using to learn, or my audience would they using to learn the AI from the YouTube or any Google source. So tell.
Okay, so you want to point your audience towards some good AI learning resources, right? That's great. Here are a few ideas for a fun, hands on intro. Google's AI experiments. These are super cool interactive demos that let people play around with different AI concepts like machine learning and natural language processing. For those who like to go deeper, Khan Academy, they've got a whole section dedicated to computer science, including introductions to AI concepts. You channels, 3 Blue, 1 Brown. This channel is fantastic for visualizing complex mathematical concepts that underpin AI. 2 Minute Papers. They do quick summaries of the latest AI research papers explained in a way that's actually understandable. For those who want to build their own AI, TensorFlow. It's a popular open source library for machine learning. There are lots of on
Okay. So